Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by visually inspecting the entire gate for damage or loose hardware. Walk the gate slowly and listen for scraping, grinding, or binding noises during full travel. Check the gap between gate leaves and posts. It should not exceed 3.5 inches. Manually open and close the gate to feel for stiff spots or sagging. Inspect hinges, rollers, and track for debris, rust, or bent parts. Verify power at the controller using a multimeter, and confirm the motor gets 12V battery or 120V mains power. Begin mechanical repairs by securing all hinge and roller bolts to reliable torque values. Tighten hardware to manufacturer specifications, typically around 35 Nm where specified. Replace any bent track segments, worn rollers, or corroded hinge pins immediately. Clean tracks and rollers with a wire brush and lubricate with appropriate grease. Adjust gate alignment so both leaves meet evenly with less than 1 inch offset. If the gate sags, add shims or adjust hinge plates until the swing is smooth and centered across the opening. Now focus on electrical components and safety systems before full operation. Test limit switches and sensors by cycling the gate and observing motor stopping positions. Inspect wiring for frays, loose connections, or exposed conductors, and repair with correct gauge and waterproof connectors. Check capacitor and motor brushes for wear and replace if they show heavy pitting. Program control unit settings for travel, force, and auto-close timing according to the manual. Finally, run safety tests and confirm the gate reverses on obstruction.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.